Alright. Now, Mr. Axel here has been sneezing for the past day and a half. And a little bit of wheezy cough. And we couldn't figure out why. Well, Mr. Claus loves to rip apart... Hey, watch out, little guy. Loves to rip apart this crap. He's been coughing and coughing and coughing. This pillow fluff stuff is useless. So, Al, thank you. What did we get? Super duper uber awesome freaking pirate ship. Freaking awesome. And the pirate flag.
Oh, one more thing.
And
oh, where'd I put it? Oh, it's over here. Oh, look, he found it already.
he wants to be inside. He ran in there. Okay.
The pirate outfit for him to put on.
All right. I guess he likes it. You keep an eye on him so he doesn't jump out really quick, because...
Well, there's like...
9 holes for him to get through.
Hey!
Just keep an eye on him.
Oh! Coming out that end.
Here, how about this? He only has 2 now.
That you know of.
Unless he goes under my armpit. So, we're getting rid of this. And we're giving him this.
Takes up the whole shelf.
The whole freaking shelf. Actually, I'm going to move this to the second one and just give him the whole top shelf with this pirate ship.